Amid the ongoing crisis in the state, Indigenous Tribal Leaders Forum ITLF is facing allegations of collecting 3,000 rupees each from Imphal area internally displaced persons IDPs under the pretext of filing a Supreme Court case without providing updates or financial accounting. The incident came to light after a representation from the Joint Internally Displaced Persons JIDPs Churachandpur was submitted to ITLF President and surfaced at the public domain. In the letter, JIDPs highlighted that ITLF Planning Department collected the funds more than 2 years ago, but no communication on the outcome and financial accounting has been provided to the IDPs despite repeated requests. It further said that the affected IDPs have been seeking clarification on the purpose of the collection, status and whereabouts of the documents and utilization of funds, but no satisfactory or credible response has been received till date. The letter went on to maintain that lack of transparency has created an impression that the IDPs were misled or hoodwinked by the ITLF. JIDPs was also seeking a written report from ITLF to explain the purpose of the collection of the fund, actions taken and outcomes achieved, as well as a full financial disclosure and accountability of the funds collected, including records and present status.